What is up, everyone? Today I'll be doing another Chromebook video. So for this Chromebook video, I'll be showing you how to put your Chromebook into. I already showing you where you would find to put your Chromebook or install Linux. So right where you see like your time, you want to press it and you want to go to this thing that says settings right there. Or you could go to the launcher and find settings right there. You could find settings right here. So yeah, you can just anyways, and you'll go down to see Linux beta. Now, warning, this doesn't always works because Linux beta is not always on every Chromebook. But if it's available for your Chromebook, for me, I already have installed. But for you guys, if you don't, you press turn on or install something like that, and then you have to wait for the process. So then also make sure your Chromebook's up to date, and you see my things up to date. And then all this stuff. Well, I mean, that was a quick video. Just show you where to find how to get Linux. So yeah, I hope you like the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And Supreme Gamer is up.